Good report here. Today, Tom the cat and his best friend Ben at the dog play. He's going to trip to the sun for life. Oh no, you see, he's gonna trip to the sun like Bowser Jr. did. Sometimes episode. Sometimes what happened on the news, on the Mr. Gooseman news. Sometimes sometimes it starts on the Mr. Gooseman. He have lit up.
This is a bumpy rock. I'm gonna be sick. He's so beautiful.
He was the grandma. He can't even. Oh shit! It's all right here. The sun is right here. He's gonna make it.
It's getting hot in here. It's getting really hot in here. Yeah, that's good.
And he's gonna make it.
I don't care.
Oh, it's not gonna make it. And he get blown up by the sun. The sun is a star, but boy, he get talking Tom the cat. He's gonna get down the sun. Well, sometimes accident right here, I guess. So you know it's gonna be bad. He's going to do it. Say he's under the planet. He thinks he's on the news. Welcome to CNN News. I'm Mr. Scoot. It's not just like that guy, but something is high. But here comes the next scoop. You see right here. You can see this is the same. It should look like that in the picture. You forgot to put the bitch when it's talking Tom and trip to sun. Oh man. Okay, we have live right here. Bowser Jr. failed trip in the sun. Now Talking Tom's gonna do it. I hope he's gonna make it. There we go. So back to the CNN News. Hello, I'm Tom. I'm from CNN News. Also, let's watch the Tom that'll lift off. Right, everybody? You see? He's gonna wait for takeoff. Watch him. 80 minutes.
I don't think that.
Take.
I don't think this roller coaster is completed yet, sir.
Wait, what? Oh no, it's gonna explode! It's okay, and wait a minute. This is what the fuck. Look at that explode! He's dead.